Welcome back to York, Carolina. We're here in Spartanburg at Stewart Law offices off of South Pine Street. And I'm here with Brent Stewart. He is the founder of the law firm here. Always great to talk to you, my friend.
Good to talk to you.
Yes, so let's talk. I love these one-on-one situations because Brent's one of those people you can toss any question at him and he's going to have an answer, and just like a good lawyer would, right? A good answer.
I'm good at bull. If that's what
Right.
I'm trying to say.
No, I think, you've been in this for a long time, so you have lots of experience with dealing with these types of cases as they relate to workers' compensation and personal injury. And one of the big issues that people have are these things you can't avoid, which are, car accidents. And the one-on-one part of this is, what should I do once I get in a car accident? Some people are like, if there's no one else involved, do I leave the scene? Like, how does it work? So the moment I accidentally, God forbid, I, rear end someone or someone rear end to me, what happens?
Well, leaving the scene always sounds bad.
Don't do that.
I mean, if you back into a garbage can or dent up your car, then that's not technically leaving the scene. But if you do major damage, I think you need to call the police and have the police come out to the scene. Mm-hmm. If it's a one car wreck and it's just you doing something, you probably want to report so you can turn it in on your insurance if you have collision and can get your car covered.
Sure.
So you don't need a consultation from me to say, don't leave the scene.
Don't do that.
But after you have a wreck, make sure you're safe. I keep saying that over and over, but safety first. After any kind of incident, make sure you're in a region of safety, and then go on from there. And
do we need documentation? Do I need to actually, in this day and age, take pictures of the damage? What type of documentation would I possibly need?
I don't think it ever hurts, since people take pictures of everything, like
food,
every dessert, everything they've eaten, like everything. I don't think it hurts to take a picture of the damage. If you have something on your body, bruising, whatever, take pictures of that. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so it can help us in the end. However, and I've said this before, do not put it on your Insta story, your Facebook story. I think too often people try their case on social media. That's not the place for it. Anything you put up is going to make it look like you're litigious and trying to show your injuries. Keep it to yourself. Make yourself get better. Save Facebook for talking to your Aunt Clara or else, or sending pictures of your kids. But your injury, keep that evidence to yourself and give it to your attorney or to the insurance company, however you feel it, like you want it.
And you're right. We live in that world where we want to live stream and do a story of everything. In this case, keep it close to the vest and to make sure, let that process work out the way it needs to.
I don't think people understand that. Say it's a workers' comp case, or just say your auto doctor puts you on a 20-pound restriction. You can't lift over 20 pounds. So you decide to show all these pictures of your grandson's birthday party, picking up your grandson who's 25 pounds. Like, I don't think people think, and I don't think they're trying to be dishonest, but social media can help and social media can hurt. So I think after an accident, it's better to kind of lay low on social media and kind of keep it out of it and just concentrate on getting yourself better and back together and kind of leave the social media for a later date.
Yeah, things I would have never thought about. So you offer a free consultation to our viewers at home that may be dealing with some of those cases. They can always go to your website. They can always call you. What is the best way to kind of get that started?
I have almost given up counting the number of ways they can reach me, and I think it's just a pat these days, but you can fill out a form online. I mean, now they have Siri, they can say call Stewart Law offices, and that will do it. You can Google 866 Stewart, you can Google Stewart Law offices, but all that goes through, it's after hours. 80% of the time you'll get me personally. We have a service that answers calls in the evening.
You can always call 866 Stewart, and you can visit them at their law offices here at South Pine Street in Spartanburg. You can go to stewartlawoffices.net. Thanks, Brent.
Thank you.